Good morning and welcome to the class. In the previous, we are going to proceed the same chapter 9, Agriculture in India. In the previous class, we had discussed about the introduction and the basic form of Indian agriculture. In the basic form, we had discussed about two forms, that is, one is based on the consumption and another is based on the seasons. As you know that seasons, there are three type of crops, Kharif, Rabi and Jair, and based on the consumption we had discussed about four parts, that is food crops, okay, commercial, then plantation and garden. Now we are going to discuss about the major food crops in India. Okay, major food crops in India, there are many food crops are in India, but some are major. Okay, we use them in large quantity. Okay, then let's start with one of the major food crops, that is wheat. First we are going to discuss about wheat. First of all, it is the Rabi crop and it is mainly used by North Indian, okay, and it is mainly grown in North India. Okay, we can say that North India. It is the Rabi crop and it is grown in the month of October to November and harvested in the month of March to April. Okay, now we are going to see that what type of temperature, soil and rainfall it requires. So let's see about the temperature, then rainfall and then soil. First of all, we will see that about the temperature, it needs 10 degree to 25 degree Celsius or centigrade of temperature. Okay, next we are going to see that how much rainfall it requires. So let's see, 25 to 75 centimeter, 25 to 75 centimeter rainfall required by wheat. And what about soil? It needs normal soil. Okay, it needs mold and normal soil. Okay, now India occupies third position. Which position? Third position in wheat production. In which production? Wheat production. Actually, the first position is of America and second is China. So after China and America, India has the third position in the wheat production. Now we are going to see which state are mostly grow the wheat. Okay, let's see the states. Okay, let's see the states. Okay, Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, okay, MP and Rajasthan and many others. Okay, many states are there which produces the wheat. Okay, now we are going to see that which district of Rajasthan, major district which produces wheat. Okay, let's see, Jaipur, Kota, Alwar, Bharatpur, Hanumangarh, Ganganagar. Now see, these are the major district of Rajasthan which produces wheat. Okay, now it is about the wheat. First of all, Rabi crop, and it is mainly used in entire India. Okay, temperature 10 to 25 degree centigrade, rainfall 25 to 75 centimeter rainfall. As you know that it needs less rainfall, not so much high rainfall, and it needs normal soil. Okay, India occupies third position. As you know that after independence there in the 1916s green revolution has been started, and during the green revolution the production of wheat has been taking a pace. Okay, that's why, and by this India became self dependent in the wheat production. What? Self dependent. It means it can export also. Okay, and it can grow sufficient wheat in India, and beside these it export wheat to other countries also. Now we are going to see about next, that is rice. Rice, the second food crop, it is also important food crop in India because the entire India consume rice. Now we are going to see about rice. This is Kharif crop. First of all, this is Kharif crop. Okay. Now see, it is grown in the monsoon season. Okay, in the month of June and harvested in the month of October to November. Now we will see the geographical condition. There can be a question asked in the exam that what are the geographical condition of wheat and rice. So you have to remind this: temperature, rainfall and soil. Okay. Now we are going to see temperature. As you know that these need high temperature. Okay. Now the temperature is 20 degree to 25 degree centigrade. Okay, and how much rainfall? It needs more water, we can say. It needs more water. Okay, so we can say that nearly 75 to 200 centimeter rainfall it require. 75 to 200 centimeter rainfall it require. And how much type of soil? It need alluvial soil, or we can say that soil of river valley. Soil of river valley. Okay, actually it needs more water. The soil which consume more water, that type of soil is suitable for the cultivation of wheat. Okay, now we are going to see that in India, according to the Indian climate, we see that there are 3 types of rice has been grown. How much type? 3 types. 3 types of rice. Okay, what are these 3 types? First is Aman, second is Oz, and third is Boro. Now see, 80% rice Aman has been grown in the rainy season. Okay, so we can call it rainy season rice. Okay, then Oz, it is in winter, and Boro, it has been grown in summer season. Okay, we can say that rice can be produced in the entire year. Okay, but most of the राइस जो है वो नॉर्मली इसी में हो जाता है. ठीक है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी मेजर स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया which produces rice. Okay, now see Odisha, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal. Okay, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, okay, Andhra Pradesh. These are the major producing state Okay. Now see, most of the rice has been produced by these states, and remaining other state also produce the rice, and these are, okay, Madhya Pradesh, okay, Assam, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, okay, Maharashtra and Jharkhand. Now see, in Rajasthan, which district produces the rice? Okay, I write here Rajasthan. ओके, राजस्थान का हम देखेंगे कि कौन से जो है वो ये करते हैं. तो लेट्स सी, गंगानगर, हनुमानगढ़, कोटा and Bundi. These are the major district of Rajasthan. You have to learn them properly. Okay, and which place occupies by India in the rice production? Then we can write here the place of position. It is second position. Rice production in the world. Okay, and first after China, we can say after China. Okay, I hope that you all understood about the rice and wheat. You have to learn them properly. I will ask you in the questions. Okay, if write down the answers and send me to my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubt or problem, you can ask me through my WhatsApp number. Okay, Kharif, harvesting, growing and harvesting, then temperature, rainfall, alluvial soil. Okay, 3 types of rice are there, then major state and then district and the place. Okay, I hope you all understand. Thank you.